Create type on a path in Photoshop. In this activity we'll learn how to add type along a path. To add type to a path, we first need a path, and Photoshop gives us several ways to draw one. We can use a basic shape tool, like rectangle tool or the ellipse tool, or we can draw a path using the pen tool. How to add a type on a path in Photoshop. To draw a path around a basketball, I'll use the ellipse tool. When the ellipse tool selected, click and hold the mouse button down in the center of the basketball, then press the shift key as you drag with the ellipse tool, forces the shape of the path into a perfect circle. Here, we see the path appearing as a thin outline around the ball. With our path drawn, we're ready to add our text. Select the Type tool from the toolbar. Go to Font Settings from the option bar, select the Century Gothic font, click Bold, 38 points font, and set the color to white. Move the Type tool directly over the path. The cursor will change to an I-beam with a dotted wavy line through it. This tells us we're about to add text directly to the path itself. Click anywhere along the path and begin adding your text. The spot you click on is where the text will begin, and as you continue typing, the text follows the direction of the path. Don't worry if you've clicked on the wrong spot. We can easily move the text around on the path when we're done. To reposition your text along the path, choose the Path Selection tool from the Tools panel. Move the Path Selection tool's cursor anywhere over top of your text. You'll see the cursor change from a black arrow into an I-beam with a small arrow on the side of it pointing left or right. As you're dragging your text along the path, be careful not to accidentally drag across the path. If you do, the text will flip to the other side and reverse direction. Simply click on your text and drag it back and forth along the path with your mouse. Here, I'm dragging my text clockwise around the circle. When you're done positioning your text and you're okay with the results, hide the path in the document by selecting any layer other than your type layer in the Layers panel. In my case, my document only has two layers, the type layer and the layer 1 layer that holds my image, so I'll click on the layer 1 layer to select it. With my path now hidden and the text flipped back over to its original side, here's my final result.